What we're doing here, this is called the Mascarenhas mulching method. This is named after a student of mine named Kevin Mascarenhas, and he would start making these mulching mechanisms around target trees. What I noticed was that the subsequent year we had a very pronounced dry season, as we tend to, and the trees that had received this mulching method were able to grow continuously right through the dry season without any let up. They just kept throwing new growth, and what we found was, examining it, is that the area directly underneath this had retained a fair amount of moisture. The first step is to obtain the biomass that you're going to build the barrier with. So in this case we're primarily using banana stems, but when you have papayas at the end of their life or lots of cecropia trunks, you could use anything. We have a Blogo banana bunch over there, and we did a couple things. Number one, we harvested some food. So we've obtained a yield, but now we have all this biomass that we can work with. So we're taking the stems of this banana to make a silt trap. And so we've created the silt trap with this piece here, and then this piece here. You can see that we have a V that is open to the slope, and as the rains wash down, they wash soil, leaf litter, animal manure, twigs, flowers, stems, dirt, whatever's getting washed down, meets this matrix of biomass, and that gets deposited there, and the water of course filters out and goes down. But what this does is it starts to accumulate nutrients in the root zone above the target tree, which in this case is a mango. So you lay down your biomass, as we did, around your target species, and then you backfill it. You fill it uphill from it, and usually we use some compost mixed with biochar, because we're seeing very good results with biochar in the soil. Then we cover that with brown material like these leaves. Then we use green material. So we've created an area that we have no competition from weeds. There's no competition for available nutrients. The grasses that are in this area may exude exudates that suppress the growth of the target species, so we've completely eliminated that. If you come back and dig this up in a few months, you'll see all the biomass at the bottom is like riddled and covered with hyphae of fungus breaking it down. So we're kind of maximizing the use of our edge between soil and decaying biomass. So for a mango tree that's about 1.5 years old, it is doing really well. To be less than 2 years old, it's quite tall. That's the long-term goal right here. Get this tree established and boost production and build healthy soil.